Alright guys, welcome back to High Universal Cut. Today, I've done a lot of Afro haircut style. Yes, but I just want us to be perfect on this. Normally, no one is perfect, quite alright, but I just want you to get this in a practical way so that whoever that comes to your salon, whoever that comes to cut his hair, will not be afraid. Someone commented that I should advise him on what to do, that he knows what to do but he always afraid. I was like, why would you be afraid? Afraid of what? Understand? Summon courage. Try to face your fear. Barbing is simple. Understand? It's very, very simple. When you learn it in a good way, just have that courage within yourself. Understand? Now, look at what we are going to do now. This is another haircut. I think I have done something like this before, but this one now, I want us to practicalize it. I want to show us something that we understand it very, very well. Understand? You know that I'm doing my own practical, raw, so that you understand it. You know what I normally do? First, brush down the hair to know how the texture is, so that you know how to start your hair. Understand? Now this customer, I'm not going to comb this hair. I only trim the outgrowth ones. Understand? So what you are going to do is brush down the hair to know how the hair grows. You are going to see, I'm going to teach us in a way that after you watch it finish, anything fear of burden who the person might be, that fear will be out of your spirit. Understand? Now brush the hair finish. This afro now, this is afro round cut. Understand? Now the down is going to be skin. The first layer, the first guardian is going to be skin. From here to here is going to be skin. I'm doing it in a practical way so that even if you're a professional, there is something you will still learn from this video. But this video is basically for beginners and those that want to advance their barbing skills. Understand? From here to here is going to be skin. It's going to be skin. Understand this thing very well now. Look very well. Take your time. Have patience. If you don't have data, go and buy data so that you can watch this thing and be good at it. And moreover, sorry guys, now if today is your first time of seeing my video or seeing my channel, you are highly welcome. Just give glory to God that you see this channel and try to subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to see it. And don't forget to like. It's very, very important. Like, comment, ask questions, and invite your friends to come and be part of this moving train. Understand? So this first one is going to be pure skin. From here to here is going to be skin. Then from here to here is going to be low cut blade. Someone commented in one of my videos. He was asking me how did I do the blade when I'm doing blending it. The thing got me fed up. I was like, listen to what I'm saying. Don't just watch. Watch and listen to what I'm explaining. I detailed everything. I explain it raw. Understand? I explain everything raw. So listen very attentively. Most of my tutorials I always explain whenever I'm blending how I set the blade. That is the most primary thing you need to know. Once you know how to set your blade, when to open it, when to close it, when to put it on skin level, when to put it on local level, you are good to go. You understand what I'm saying? So guys, from down here to here is going to be pure skin. From here to here is going to be low cut. Then from here to here, sorry guys, from here to here is going to be what? Step 1. You see where I stop it because of the little, when I fade the down so that it will not go up. From here to here is going to be what? Step 1. So guys, Hope you understand the little explanation I just explained now, right? So let's dive into it. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, subscribe, follow us for more. If you are doing something, if you are really learning, show concern by liking, commenting and sharing. And don't forget to subscribe, be part of this family, because you are going to learn a lot, because we do our own things here, practical, understand. I don't mind taking my whole time to make sure that I explain it, so that when you watch it, after watching it, you know that you learn something. All this, what I'm saying now is what I'm supposed to be teaching whoever that is here with me physically, understand. So but me, I don't care, because this social media, a lot of people from different planets, they are watching, understand. So that's why I'm doing it in a practical way, in a very detailed way, as if I'm teaching nursery school students, understand. So watch it very well. I'm taking my time to make this video so that you understand, and don't let my effort to just go like that. Make sure you learn something from this video, understand. Thank you guys. Now let's dive into it. this is my this is my step one. Wait guys, I'm coming. So guys, let's dive into it. This is my clipper, right? What I told you guys that from here to here is going to be skin, from here to here is going to be skin. So how do you set your blade on skin? Look at it now. Look at my clipper. This is low cut. I've opened it. I bring the gear down. I'll open it. Carry the gear up. You close it. This is skin. Then you skin it. Watch what I'm doing. And watch how my hand is moving. What do I'm holding the clipper? If you don't know how to hold clipper, it will be difficult for you to grab. Watch what I'm doing. Let me tell you people one thing. I told you that from here to here is going to be skin. Once you want to skin it, don't start like this first. Not that you cannot do it like this, but don't start it first. Why? Because it's going to weaken the blade. So first carry it up. Carry it up like this. If you are enjoying this video, if you are learning something, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Carry it up like this. What the way my hand is moving? Hope you are getting it. Carry it up like this. I'm making this video because I have the passion of teaching a lot of people, taking it to the wider audience, let people, a lot of people from different places to see it and learn. No one is perfect though. So that's why if you say anywhere that I'm not doing very well, please correct me in the comment section. I will learn. I'm ready to learn. So after you have done it like this, finish, then you now skin it. What the way my hand is moving? What do I'm holding the clipper? Do you understand? What the way my hand is moving? What the way I'm holding the clipper? You can see it, right? Yeah. I don't want this video to be too long, because the last one I did, bro, I swear, the last one I did, I didn't even finish it, but I did the most important thing that I'm supposed to do. Understand? So this video is going to take too much time, and I don't want it to take too much time. That's why I want to do the basic, the most important one. Understand, guys? So after you have done the first, you have created the first guideline, which is skin. Take your time and skin it very well. Take your time. After you have done this, finish. Now I tell you that from here to here is going to be what? From here to here is going to be what? Low cut blade. From here to here is going to be low cut blade, right? Now how are you going to set it on low cut blade? Like what you did before. This is it. This is skin. The two are joined together. This is skin. Now what are you going to do to set it on low cut blade? What you are going to do to set it on low cut blade is to bring the gear down. Look at the gear. Bring it down. It's open. Can you see it? It's open. This is low cut blade. Then you now create the second guideline. What the way my hand is moving? Can you see it? And don't forget, whenever you are bathing or blending or creating any guideline, make sure you are brushing up the hair that is coming out so that you see how the texturing is going. Do you understand? So if you are learning something, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow us, like, comment and share. We are here to learn. No one knows it all. Anything you see that I'm not doing well, please correct me. Understand? I want you to be good at this afro, round cut. I want you to be good at it. So can you see how my hand is moving? Can you see how I'm doing it? Don't forget, invite others, invite your friends to be partaker of this. Understand? Now after this second one, I don't want this video to be too long, like I said earlier on, but I'm going to do the most important things that you need to know, which I've started already. Can you see it? After this one, remember the first guideline is your skin, this second one is local blow, right? I'll watch here, there is line here, right? We are going to clean it off, we are going to take it off. That's why you see some haircuts, you'll be like, there is no line, how did they do this? That is what I'm doing here in a practical way. Understand? Please don't forget, this channel is for us all. Let's grow together and learn together. So after this now, how will you take off this line? This is a very good question. How will you take off this line? How you are going to take off this line? You are going to set it, put this thing, let it be in between the low cut and the skin. Look at it now, this is skin, right? This is skin, it's joined together. If you open it, is what is low cut, right? Now what you're going to do is to put it, let it be semi low cut, put it in between. Understand? Look at what I did now. You take it off. When you are taking it off, use the edge. You can do, if you are doing like this, it might create another line. Use the edge, use the edge, use the edge, use the edge. Understand? Use the edge and make sure you are brushing it. Take your time. That is all about calculation. After that, you can still put it on. After that, you can still put it on low cut. You bring it down, put it on low cut. You carry it up again. Make sure you are doing it in a very well. You are detailing it very, very well. After that, you can put it on what? You can put it on skin. Let the two blades join together. Use it like maybe you are doing the finishing touches. You understand, guys? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Let's grow together. Let's learn together. Now after this second guideline that you have created now, the third one is going to be what? It's going to be step 1. Like I said, remember this is step 1, right? This is step 1. How are you going to put it? Insert it. Put it like this. Now remember, it's still under what? It's still under low cut. It's still under low cut blade. What you are going to do, like I said, at this one now, we are not going to go up so that it will not create another line. What you are going to do now is to make it to the what? Skin level. Carry the gear up, then you texture it accordingly. What do you am flipping it up? What do you my hand is moving? Don't rush it. Take your time. Like I said, that is all about what? Patience and calculation. Take it gently. Take your time. Don't rush it. You can see, right? We are not yet done, but the blending is coming out already, right? Now after you have done it finish, remember it's under what? It's under skin. Then you open it, put it under what? Put it under low cut. You bring the gear down. What do you want flipping it? Don't let it go inside. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I just want you to understand what I'm doing here. Make sure you are brushing it. Make sure you are brushing it. So you are blending it. Make sure you are brushing it. After that, turn your clipper like this and blend it. Watch what I'm doing. You see how I turn my clipper downward and blend it. Remember, hair do fast. The way I'm doing it like this now, you might not do it on a hair that is soft or strong. This hair is okay. I love it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see how the blending is coming out? So guys, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. Hope you understand what I'm doing. This is it. This is it. Turn your clipper on. After that, after you have done this process finish, you remove the step 1. Still leave it under low cut blade. It's still under low cut blade. You brush, you blend it down. See, my hand is not going up. I'm not going up. You blend it down. Blend it down. Guys, can you see it? You blend it down. Then you take any unnecessary hair that did not blend well, you take it off. It's still under low cut blade. You take it off. You take it off. Hope you understand what I'm doing. Can you see how the blending is coming out? You take it off. Barbing is very simple, very sweet. Don't let anyone to discourage you. I'm encouraging you. If you have passion for it, go for it. They're going to be good. You see, I'm doing it raw. There is no enhancement. There is no special camera. I'm using my Android camera. That is why you are seeing it like this. So I don't want to start waiting until I get my iPhone here. So I have to put out tutorials for you people to learn. That's why I take my time to do all these things. So make sure you are watching it very well. Take your time. Take your time. Do the finishing touches, so that people will be like, where did you do this? How did you do it? You see, if you see this online, I will be like, how did you do it? That is what I'm doing practically for you from start to finish. Then after that, you trim off the down. Any outgrowth, you remove it. So guys, if you love what you are seeing, the way I did here now is the same way I will do the other side. So there is no need, and I don't want this hair to be too long. I don't want it to be too long. This is already 17 minutes. So hope you learn something from this. And if you do, please subscribe, invite your friends, share this video, give us a thumbs up, so that you encourage us to do more. Understand? So guys, how do you see it? This is the final touches. Can you see the blending? This is how to blend hair. This is how to blend hair. Understand? I don't want it to be too long. That's why I want to stop it like this. But this is everything you need to know about how to blend, how to barb Afro. Can you see it? So guys, thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Be part of this family, because everything you want me to do, I will do it. I'll make sure that one day you become that great barber that you wish to be, and you'll be like, I learned this online and I learned it from high universal court, and a word of prayer that you say is going to take you a long way. Thank you guys. Share, invite your friends. Don't be stingy. Don't learn alone. Understand? Invite your friends, come and benefit from this as well too. Understand guys? Don't forget, like, comment and share. Any hairstyle you want me to do, put it in the comment section. I'll visit it and we'll do it. We'll learn together. I'll do it as I normally do, in a practical way. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you.